So I received a question from a student asking, why is the answer to this problem, teacher has 0 classes? So this is a question that tests your understanding of if statements, and that if you do not use braces with if statements, then only the first line of code following the if statement belongs to it. So we see that this if statement has no braces, and that means that this is the only line of code that is owned by that if statement, which means the line of code after it will execute every time regardless of whether the if statement is true or false. So if you go through this line by line, position is principal, number of classes is 0, and it says if position dot equals teacher, then number of classes is 5. Well, since this is false, the number of classes will stay at 0. But now this next statement doesn't belong to the if statement, so it will execute regardless, and it will change position to teacher. And when we get to the system out print, position is teacher, has number of classes is 0, and then the word classes, that is why this is the correct answer here. So whenever you're dealing with if statements that have no braces, you're looking at only the first line of code after, and anything that follows that will always execute.